That someone comes, what is their motivation? Not to do pure bhakti, not to do seva, to kill me. Oh, you've come to kill me? Oh, nice, that's nice. Welcome, swagatam. Betiye, oh Mataji, swagatam. Krishna is 6 days old. Yashodananda, Balagopal. And so how much affection? Aho baki, stana. The rishis are amazed. How is it this Krishna? Okay, Vishnu has the Bhaktavatsala also, Ram. But Vishnu, Ram, Krishna, no one can compare with Krishna. So devotees are banking on that quality. That this is a soft spot. This is a soft spot in the heart of Krishna. He's affectionate to his devotee. Although he's samaham sarvabhuteshu na me dvesyo siyapriya, he's equal to everyone. But he's let out a secret of his heart. It's a heart secret that if you try to love me, you'll catch me. If you just try a little bit, alpa medasa or swapam apyasya dharmasya. A little bit you try to love me, because dharma means prem dharma. This is bhakti. This is bhakti dharma. Swapam apyasya dharmasya. This is neha vikrama nashosti pratyavayo navidite. Swapamapyasya dharmasya chayatoma. Krishna is telling swapam dharma. Means a little bit of dharma. What is that dharma? That means to try to love Krishna. This is bhakti. Try to serve Krishna without motive. Ahoitaki. Apratiyata. Apratiyata. The tendency to be free from motive or conditions. Pure seva. No mixture. And then I will show my affection to you. So by doing sadhana bhakti, we are trying to perform Shravanam, Kirtana, Vishnu Smarana, do something. The scriptures are saying that these are the bhakti anga, Navavida bhakti, and that somehow these please Krishna.